For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns. It's August 7th, 2018, and let's review what we did in the first hour trading pit this morning. So first up, we had a big gap on the industrials, about 100 points on the opening bell. That pushed most everything that we were looking to trade on the fastball XRVs out of range, except for KFY, Korn Ferry International. KFY opened at $68 per share. The if-then statement that we use on something like this is if last price is less than or equal to $68 per share, then buy stop limit $67.90 up to about $68.10 per share. So in this case, the stock opened right at the threshold that we would use for our criterion, the less than or equal to statement, 68 bucks. 68.10 got you filled. 68.50 in this case was the target that got you out. Stop on this, $67.58. Why so tight? NYSE listed securities. So check your document each night. See the exchange that it's listed on. NYSE stocks tend to trade with much more respect to the support and resistance levels that were established in the prior session, so you can have much tighter stops than on those NASDAQ setups. Stock came back down. Reese alerted us in the room that we had a second entry on KFY. As soon as it dipped down below this 68 line, everything was reset. Second entry on this, straight up to the profit target again. So in this case, second entry fill was right at that $68 line. In this case, we had a profit of 49 cents per share. So it didn't look like it at first, but this one wound up being a really good trade. 2 trips to the profit target for KFY in the first hour trading pit. If you were there this morning, then you know that Rick Kipp was out today and that I was calling the Baltimore chops. Now, I didn't get as many called as he usually does, but the one I did get was a beauty. So Kennametal, ticker symbol KMT, we were watching this right from the opening bell. This big gap to the upside and this second bar gave us a textbook entry right below the low of this bar. The very first target on this would be down here at $41.07. So $41.35 down to $41.07, not a huge potential profit, but remember, I told you to use that as a soft target. And the reason for that was that I saw this range on this first bar, and when you get a giant range like that, you typically get an expansion beyond that entry threshold. And if you'll recall that in the first hour trading pit, I said our first target, $40.31 on the expansion of this peak to trough fib ratio. 40.31 was the first target, 40.08 was the ultimate target, and look what happened. It got down as low as 40.03 and reversed. So I'm not patting myself on the back too much, but that was a beautiful setup, and I was thrilled to be able to put it out in front of everybody right there in the first hour trading pit. So there you have it, 41.35 the entry, 40.08 the target. When you take the slippage into account on this one, $1.22 per share traded. Add that to the profitability in KFY, and you had one happy day in the first hour trading pit. So there you have it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.